Hello everyone, it's John from immoviewer 360, just giving you guys a quick tip on how to add hotspots and how to delete them at the same time. So here's how to do that. First step you need to do is to find the tour you wish to edit. In this case, let's try and edit the first tour we have on our list. Now guys, just a little tip. Hotspots are navigational bubbles that allows your viewers to traverse from one room to another. So it is imperative to position them to where the next photo is located. So in this case, you can traverse to the living and dining room 1 image through this little hotspot right here. So let's try and pretend that we don't have this hotspot here, and let's try and add another hotspot that connects to exactly the same room. So there we go. Let's just add a hotspot. Now, in case your photos are on a different floor, all you have to do is just choose whichever floor the photo is located into or located in, and just click on that photo, just like connecting the dots right there. So to enter the room, all you have to do is just click on the hotspot and click on enter room, and there you have it. Now guys, when you're adding a hotspot into a room, you want to make sure that you also add hotspot back out. So in this case, we want to add another hotspot that connects back to the outside. Let's just click that outside, and it's called exterior right here. And we click on enter room. There you have it. For deleting a hotspot, it's relatively easy as well. All you have to do is just click on the hotspot right there, click on remove hotspot, and like magic, the hotspot disappears. Let's do that again. Click on that hotspot, click on remove hotspot, and like magic, it disappears. So that's how you add and delete hotspots, guys. If you have any feedback, suggestions, recommendations, feel free to send us an email at help@immoviewer.us or chat with us at immoviewer.com. Thanks, and have an awesome immoviewer day. Bye-bye.